Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video. I know y'all be asking me for a POV inside the Z06 for the longest, so right now I'm gonna be giving y'all a little POV inside the C8 Z06 right here. As y'all can see, bro, this shit is on Demon Town. I got the red outlines. Shit is color black is crazy. And if y'all don't know, I got ambient light on the inside along with starlights. I'm gonna be giving y'all a little POV inside the Z06 that y'all be requesting for the longest. Feel me? So let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, so put this bad boy in sport manual. Y'all, so we're gonna be playing some, what do you call this songs again? Some beats or some funk, whatever the case is. That's what we're gonna be playing. Something for a reminder. So I'm gonna put that bad boy right here. Yeah, I probably still could see shit, but just going to get gas, but I don't got time right now, chat. The only crazy person driving tonight. That ass, bro. These motherfuckers crazy. But yeah, chat, let me know in the description what y'all think about these starlights though. The color is different because this was on, the top was off, and I had this light on. Now it's connected, it still functions to this color. But I like this color way better though. And that one, that shit ass. This shit right here is fire. Feel me? But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the starlights though. Fucking with it. Alright, chat, so I got some business that I gotta deal with in Brickell. So we're driving to Brickell right now. Come on, buddy. y'all. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.